Creating an approval process in Salesforce doesn't have to be complicated, and in this quick Salesforce explanation, I'll walk you through everything you need to know to set one up efficiently. Whether you're new to Salesforce or just looking to streamline your approval workflows, this video will help you get there fast. Stay tuned until the end, because I'll also share a bonus that will make your Salesforce experience even better. First off, you can actually set up your approval process in Salesforce for completely free by using the first link below, where we're offering exclusive bonuses that you won't find elsewhere. So, don't forget to check that out if you want to get started right away. Now, let's dive in. The first thing you need to do is navigate to the Setup menu in Salesforce. From there, in the Quick Find box, type Approval Processes and hit Enter. You'll see the option to create a new approval process. This is where the magic starts. Next thing you want to do is select the object for your approval process. Salesforce allows you to set approval processes on different objects, like opportunities or custom objects. Choose the one that fits your business process. Once you've selected the object, you need to define your entry criteria. This is where you'll specify which records should enter the approval process. For example, if you want to automatically approve opportunities with a value over $50,000, you'll set that condition here. Be sure to clearly define the conditions so only the right records enter the process. The fourth thing is to define the approval steps. These are the stages that records will go through during the approval process. You can create multiple steps, like initial review or final approval, and assign different users or roles to each step. You can even make steps conditional, so certain criteria need to be met before advancing to the next stage. Next, you'll want to set up the approval actions. These are the actions that occur once a record is approved or rejected. For example, when a record is approved, you might want to update a field, send an email alert, or trigger a workflow. These actions are automated and save you time by handling repetitive tasks. The sixth thing you need to do is configure your rejection actions. You should also decide what happens if the record is rejected at any stage. Typically, you'd send an email to notify the owner or even reset the record status to allow for revisions. The next step is to test the approval process. Before making it active, create a test record and see how it behaves with your set criteria, steps, and actions. This helps catch any errors before going live and ensures everything runs smoothly. Finally, once you're confident everything's working, activate your approval process. Once active, users will be able to submit records that follow the approval workflow you've defined. And don't forget, if you want to try this out yourself, click the first link below for an exclusive and extended free trial of Salesforce, with added bonuses that will make setting up approval processes even easier. In conclusion, setting up an approval process in Salesforce can be quick and efficient when you follow these steps. Make sure to take the time to test and tweak your setup before making it live, and remember, Salesforce gives you the tools to automate and simplify your approval workflows. Don't forget to check out that exclusive offer below to get started with Salesforce today. Thanks for watching!